CrafrikMediaTV. Kindly like, share, and drop your comments on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The dollar clung to recent gains against the euro and the pound sterling after attempting to break back above parity versus the greenback numerous times without success. The euro was scarcely moved to Asian trade at $0.9971. At the start of the week, it dipped below that critical psychological level. At $1.1821, the pound was down 0.14% from the more than 2-year low of 1.1718. The announcement by Britain's energy regulator of a staggering increase in the cap of energy prices, which will further boost inflation in the already fragile Britain economy, could act as a catalyst for the pound. A price gap that is determined every 3 months transfers fuel price rises to British customers. The dollar index, which compares the value of the dollar to 6 important rival currencies, was at 108.5, on track to post a gain of 0.38%, and was already up 2.5% in August 2022. Jerome Powell delivered a speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium, and investors watch for an indication of how quickly Fed still intends to hike interest rates. In recent weeks, policymakers have emphasized how crucial it is for the Fed to bring inflation under control. Neel Kashkari, president of the Minneapolis Federal Reserve Bank, stated that his greatest concern is that the U.S. Central Bank will underestimate the scope and duration of price pressures and will need to implement even more aggressive rate hikes in order to combat inflation. Investors will also be watching Powell see if his remark on the long-term picture will cause markets to reverse their bets on monetary easing in 2023, which will support the dollar. Markets are presently pricing in rate cuts later that year on the assumption that policymakers will be more concerned about the slowing economy than rising inflations by them, and they are positioning the US rate hikes to peak this year or right at the start of next year. While the Australian dollar has been doing better against the battered European currencies, it nevertheless dropped 0.27% and went back below the psychological level of $0.7. At 136.81 against the dollar, the Japanese yen slipped lower. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Crafrik Media TV for more informative content. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time we upload fresh content.